Welcome to Excellence Icon, and today we will learn about trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? Trigno means a triangle where the metry means the measurement. We can consider it as a measurement of the triangle. We will learn about Pythagoras theorem and the trigonometric ratios. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? It is actually a formula which can only apply when your situation is like, for suppose this is an angle including the 90-degree. Here's the A, B and C. So remember, now just focus on this figure, that whenever the triangle is given either like this or where there is no right angle, and from the three sides they will give only you two sides and they will ask from you to find the third side, whether if given the 90-degree angle. But remember one more thing, that in the triangle there no angle is written or given to you above the 90-degree. For example, they have give you AB sides and they have asked from you about the side of C. Find out this side of C. So how can you find out? So it is the Pythagoras theorem applying. How can you apply the Pythagoras theorem? Is equals to hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Are you confused about it? Obviously. So first we need to understand that what is hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. For example, here's a triangle of 90-degree. So the line opposite to the 90-degree is always known as hypotenuse. The line opposite to the 90-degree is always hypotenuse, and this is the largest line in the triangle because the 90-degree is the largest in the triangle, so the opposite side will be obviously largest. And secondly, when an angle is given to you of, for suppose, 60-degree, so the opposite line of the angle given to you above 90-degree is known as perpendicular. So if I suppose that in this triangle you have given the 90-degree, opposite side is hypotenuse, when the angle is also given, so its opposite side is known as perpendicular, and the remaining side will be known as base, which is also represented by a line which have 90-degree and an angle too. Alright, so you need to apply the Pythagoras theorem according to this, that whenever they will ask you about hypotenuse, so write hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular, whatever the value is here, square plus, remember to square, to double it, plus base, whatever the value base is given here, and then square it and then plus them both, and you can get the answer. Whether if they have given you the hypotenuse and you have given the perpendicular, they will ask from you about the base, so write them both and then shift them, and you can solve it by applying this formula, which is very important for you. Now remember one more thing, that as it's giving you about an angle 2 above 90-degree, they have given you the 60-degree angle. So now can I apply the Pythagoras theorem? Obviously not. Why? Because in this both angle, in this both triangle, there is no angle given. Okay, above 90-degree, there is no angle given to you, so you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Whenever an angle is present or given to you, you are unable to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so then you need to apply the trigonometric ratios. So what are the trigonometric ratios? We need to learn it. Now for suppose they have given you a triangle where it's 90-degree and a 60-degree angle. Alright, and they ask from you about to find out that what is this length. Obviously they have given you A and B and I asked from you to find C. Now you can apply the trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios? Sine is equals to perpendicular upon height. Cos is equals to base upon height, and tangent is equals to perpendicular upon base. You can also learn this, that some people have curly brown hair till painted blue. Sine is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos is equals to base upon hypotenuse, tangent is equals to perpendicular upon base. This you need to also memorize. This is known as the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so in this triangle, comment me that what the formula you will apply. This is the first formula, second formula, and third formula. This is also given as a condition. It is very simple to understand. It's also present in your calculators, electronic calculators. You need to just find out what is not given in the triangle. See that in your calculator the sine, cosine and tangent is present here, so you can apply this to get your answer. So from this triangle, what is asked from me? The C, value of C. So can you identify what is C? Yes, you can identify. Opposite side of 90 degrees is always known as hypotenuse. It would be hypotenuse. The line opposite to angle is known as perpendicular. We will mention it for our ease. And the line which have a 90 degree and an angle is known as base. Yeah, we can consider B as base. Alright, so for suppose if B is given to me or A is given to me, which formula I will apply actually? Wherever the hype is present, I can apply this. I can apply the sine rule and I can also apply the cos rule. Alright, sorry, not sine or cos rule. I will apply the formula of sine is equals to perpendicular upon height and cosine rule, which is based upon hypotenuse. Yeah, in my next video I will make you learn about sine and cosine rule. What are they? They are different. Don't think about that now. Now answer me that why I cannot apply the tangent rule. Sorry, tangent is equals to perpendicular upon base. Why I cannot apply this? Think about it. The thing is that the perpendicular and base both are given in the figure and they are only asking about the hypotenuse, which I can find from two formulas. So either I put the formula of sine or either I put the formula of cosine, my answer will come same. Okay, so we can take one example. They asked from me, okay, so for example they asked from me to find out. Now you have already acknowledged that what are the different types of conditions which have been given to me. For example, this is a 30 degree, 90, we have already acknowledged it. It's 14, the value of x, what is the value of x, and b, perpendicular height. We have already write down that what are these. It is hypotenuse, perpendicular and the base. Alright, so remember one thing, this we have write for our clarification, to clarify. But what has been given in the figure, this is the triangle where 30 degree and 90 degree is given and an angle opposite to and a line side opposite to the angle is known as perpendicular, which is x. They are means asking us about x. They are asking us about perpendicular. And what is given here? Is the base given here? No, hypotenuse is given here. So when the hypotenuse is given here, so what formula will be suitable for this? Should I apply the Pythagoras theorem? Don't you think that? No. Why? Because now the angle is involved. Whenever the angle is involved, we are unable to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay? We apply it when no angle is involved. So now we will apply the trigonometric ratios. So we can recall the trigonometric ratios. What are there? Sine is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cosine is equals to base upon hypotenuse, tangent is equals to perpendicular upon base. So which of the trigonometric ratio is suitable for this figure to find out? For me, I think so that sine, obviously. Why? Because the sine is asking about perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, sorry. Yeah, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. They are asking from us perpendicular, although they have given us the hypotenuse. So they have not given us the base. When they give us the base, we can apply the tangent rule, which is perpendicular upon base. There the base is given, but in this figure the base is not given, so we will apply the formula sine is equals to perpendicular upon base, and we'll put up the value. So first of all, sine 30 is equals to, what is the value of perpendicular? X, you do not know. Hypotenuse 14. Now here 14 is dividing from x. When it will go there, it will multiply. 14 sine 30 is equals to x. So now how can we write it into our calculator is that 14, and here's the sine, and then 30. So what the answer is coming? 7. So my answer would be 7. Do you understand that how I take out the value? This is the what you need to understand. First of all, focus on the figure. What has given to you. If an angle is given to you, yeah, you are unable to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Now move over the trigonometric ratios. What is given to you? Then according to that, apply the sine, cos or tan. Alright. Doing another question to be clarify more. For example, a 90-degree angle has given to you x 20, 30. Okay, what is the value of x? They have asked from you about the value of x. Now focus on this question. It is most simple, most simple. We know that this is a 90 degree. Opposite of the 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. We will mention it. The opposite side of an angle is known as perpendicular. Okay, now they do not have given us the perpendicular. What they are asking from us, a line which have an angle and a 90 degree angle is known as base. They are asking us about base and what they have given. Now focus on this. Can I apply the Pythagoras theorem? No, because the angle is involved. So what can I apply now? Yeah, hypotenuse is given. They are asking about the base. No interfere of perpendicular. Now moving on the trigonometric ratios. Where is hypotenuse plus base? Yeah, hypotenuse base upon hypotenuse. Can I apply now the cos rule? Yeah, cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Can I apply like this? Exactly. Now input the values. What the angle has given you? 20 is equals to, where is hypotenuse perpendicular? Sorry, where is the base? X upon hypotenuse 30, not degree. Alright, now we'll put the values. 30 is equals to 30 cos 20. What would be the answer? 28.1. So now my answer is coming 28.1. So I would like to put it. The x value is 28.1. That's all.